Welcome to the wonderful world of Koala Go, where you can build a playground for you and your students to explore. This is a pre-built space playground, made by the Koala Go team. I've added some features here to help us explore the playground area. First, we learn our letters A, B, C, D. The alien code is somewhere ahead. It looks like the aliens have been here. Welcome to Going Up English Universe. We have 450 plus online English lessons ready for you. In the Curriculum Center, you can be a Koala Pro by upgrading your account. It allows you unlimited slides, unlimited co-browser usage, 300 gems and 24-hour assistance. You can upload your own documents and PowerPoints. Our lessons will work in the co-browser, so they're perfect for Koala Go classes. We'll show you how to use them in a second. We have balanced lesson content covering phonics, reading, grammar, writing, and speaking. These are the beginner unit themes. Let's explore the intermediate units. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, blast off. These are the themes for levels 4 and 5. It looks like the aliens left you a free code. A free account gives you access to all of our free lessons. And a paid account will give you access to an expanding library of 450 online English lessons. You must use the code ONEORBIT to get the free month. Now, if we exit the playground, you'll see the slides. There are 50 free interactive English lessons. You need to copy the link for the Hiniali and open up the co-browser. On a free Koala Go plan, you get 10 minutes of co-browsing every 30 minutes. But you can also sign up for unlimited access here. Now you have access to our free English lesson tool. You can sign up here for your free month. There's a reading library, movie modules, some conversation classes, some adult conversation classes, a map of the Going Up English universe. And then you can head to any level. Let's look at an intermediate unit called Reach Your Goals. This will open the first lesson of each unit. On the website there are 10 lessons for each unit. Your student will be able to click, and you'll be able to collaborate, giving them power in class. They'll be able to click everything, so they can click these, and make them disappear as they discuss goals. They can control the class and advance ahead. It's perfect for grammar exercises. Here we practice blending. Take turns clicking the buttons with your students. We have lots of scenes that help improve speaking skills. At the end of class, we ponder a big think question. You can assign it as homework. Exit out into the Koala Go classroom. It looks like I ran out of my free 10 minutes. The free plan covers worldwide invoicing. There are ads on a free account. You can sign up for Koala Pro or Koala Business. You can use our lessons right here with either account. Also check out the Koala Go Marketplace. This is where you can find our free lessons tool. There are a lot of free activities. I just want to see what basketball game teacher David shared. When you add an activity, it will copy the activity to your list. Check here if your student is in China. If you open the playground, we should have his activity there. We're watching the grass grow and loading the world with Koala Go. You can explore this area with your student. It looks like we can kick the balls. Teacher David has shown us how. We can create a special room for learning. You can even throw the basketballs. Imagine playing a game with your student. You can add teaching notes and images. You can even create story tools and add an action zone. You can customize the action zone. You could make piles of basketballs, and the students would have to count and drag the sticky notes to the correct pile. You can buy props with gems. There's a lot of cool space stuff that I want here. Just use this link to invite your student. Try out class on Koala Go. It looks like a ton of fun.